A Mongoose bicycle will bring out your adventurous side with every pedal. It's time to elevate your ride. Trails, sand, snow. The trickier the terrain, the more fun you'll have on this Dolomite Fat Tire bike. 7-speed twist shifters and a Shimano rear derailleur offer ultra-smooth gear transitions. And when you're out on the trails, the bike's front and rear disc brakes provide swift stopping power. You'll enjoy year-round riding thanks to the durable mountain bike frame. The 4-inch wide, supersized knobby tires let you conquer challenging terrain, including snow-covered surfaces. The Fat Tires roll on wide alloy rims, which are both lightweight and extremely durable. This versatile ride is also outfitted with a threadless headset and a strong 3-piece crank for simplified maintenance. Plus, the sports seat delivers complete comfort. Designed with 26-inch wheels, the Dolomite best fits adult riders approximately 5 foot 6 inches to 6 feet tall. Get ready for the ride of your life. There's nothing you can't do on a Mongoose.
If you crave stability and like the look and feel of a mountain bike, but still like to hit the road, consider the Talus 2. The lighter weight alloy frame provides a comfortable riding position, putting you in a better vantage point for spotting any obstacles in your path. With 3 gears in the front and 8 in the back, you've got plenty of gears to choose from out on the trail. Shimano Altus trigger shifters allow you to easily click through those 24 different gears without having to move your hands off the grips. The 27.5 wheels and 2-inch wide tires help you stay nimble but stable over the bumps. Rack and fender mounts allow you to haul more gear and add fenders for wet weather rides. The SR Suntour suspension fork and Raleigh Mountain plush saddle ensure that your ride is a comfy one no matter the distance. Alloy V-brakes provide good stopping power, rain or shine. At home on dirt, gravel, and pavement, this mountain bike will keep your adventure going when you decide it's time to head off-road and explore the path less traveled.
Lux Sport is an aggressive hardtail mountain bike. It has a strong and lightweight double-butted aluminum frame that features a super low top tube for increased standover clearance. The top tube and down tube are formed for strength and stiffness. The Lux Sport rolls on 27.5 wheels, which are tough and can handle anything you throw at them. 2.25-inch wide tires grip amazingly well no matter what trail you are on, while stopping power is handled easily by Shimano hydraulic disc brakes, which work great in all weather conditions. The SR Suntour 100mm fork sucks up rough trails with ease and features a lockout for better efficiency while climbing. The entry-level Shimano 3x9 drivetrain features an Acera rear derailleur, which gives you a wide enough gear range for both top speeds and climbing the steepest of hills. Women's specific touch points round out this build to be comfortable yet aggressive. The saddle, stem length, and handlebar width are all designed to complement the frame size, making for a custom feel right out of the box. Whether you are a first-time rider or a weekend warrior, the Lux Sport will put a smile on your face as you're blasting down the trail.
When it comes to producing quality bikes that stand the test of time and keep you riding comfortably, you can count on Schwinn. Take the trail by storm with the Schwinn Protocol dual suspension mountain bike. Light and sturdy, the full suspension aluminum frame and alloy crank can withstand harsh treatment on rough terrain and dirt paths. The 24-speed Shimano EasyFire trigger shifters and Shimano Altus rear derailleur provide smooth shifting as you climb even the steepest hills. The front suspension fork absorbs bumps for smooth, comfortable riding on a variety of terrains. Dusty and dirty trail conditions are no match for the powerful ProMax front disc brake and rear alloy V-brake, so you can stop with confidence every time. Plus, thick, knobby mountain tires supported by alloy rims supply traction for extra stability across ever-changing surfaces. Designed with 26-inch wheels, this bike is great for adult riders 5 foot 4 inches to 6 foot 2 inches tall. And Schwinn's limited lifetime warranty for as long as you own the bike gives you a little added peace of mind. Enjoy the freedom of riding a Schwinn.